Good morning to all of you. In previous days, in previous discussion, we have already discussed the topic geometry. Geometry, the topic section formula, and we have given many exercise and homework of the related section formula. We hope all students solve the that homework. Now today we start area of a triangle. Today we start area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. In previous classes you have studied how to find the area of triangle when its base and corresponding height are given. In previous classes we have already solved the problem when the height of the triangle and base of the triangle will be given. Then you have to find in previous classes. In the formula, area of a triangle equal to half base into height. This formula you have already solved. Also you have studied Heron's formula. Heron's formula also used find the area of the triangle. Find area of the triangle. These two conditions you have already studied in class 9th. These two conditions you have already studied in class 9. But today is another thing. Today is the another topic या फिर another technique to find the area of the triangle. Now we have to written here. In previous classes you have studied how to find the area, how to find the area of a triangle. How to find the area of a triangle. In previous classes you have studied how to find the area of a triangle when its base and corresponding base and corresponding height that is altitude corresponding height are given. In previous classes you have studied how to find the area of a triangle when its base and corresponding height are given. Area of a triangle equal to half base into height. Base into height. This is known formula. formula. This is known formula in class 9th. क्लास 9th में इस फार्मूले से we have already known this formula. Now also you have studied Heron's formula. Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. To find the area of triangle. To find the area of triangle. Also you have studied Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle. एक मेथड ये था जिससे कि हम 9th में ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालते थे. एक मेथड था हीरोन्स फार्मूला, इससे भी हम ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकालते थे. नाउ दिस इज सेकेंड. नाउ थर्ड. क्या था हीरोन्स फार्मूला? रूट s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This is the Heron's formula. Here s equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. This is the Heron's formula. Now we have another formula discussed here. If the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle if the coordinate of the vertices of a triangle are given, then find the area of triangle. Then find the area of the triangle. Then find the area of the triangle. This is third method and we have discussed this third. प्रीवियस क्लासेज में 9th में आप लोग इसको भी स्टडी कर चुके हैं, इसको भी स्टडी कर चुके हैं. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल का स्टडी आप कर चुके हैं, हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. बट हियर वी हैव स्टडी व्हेन द वर्टिसेज ऑफ द ट्रायंगल आर गिवन. वी हैव स्टडी व्हेन द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल आर गिवन. Vertices of the triangle are given. Then how to find the area of the triangle. You could find another thing is here. You could find the length of the three side, the length of the three side length of the three sides using the distance formula, using the distance formula, using the distance formula, and then we use Heron's formula, we use Heron's formula, we use Heron formula. This is the another method, this is the another method कि अगर वर्टिसेस से ही अगर हमें फाइंड करनी है तो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला भी यूज करके डिस्टेंस निकाल लेंगे और फिर हीरोन्स फार्मूला में रख के सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ये भी एक मेथड था, लेकिन हमें एक ऐसे मेथड को फाइंड करना है जो किसी सिर्फ एक मेथड में एक ऐसा फार्मूला निकाल के लाएं जिस पर कि हम वर्टिसेस के रखें और डायरेक्टली मुझे एरिया मिल जाए। इस तरीके के फार्मूले की ज़रूरत है। वी वांट टू फाइंड द फार्मूला दैट वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ वर्टिसेस एंड फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल। वी पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ वर्टिसेस एंड फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल। वी रिक्वायर दैट टाइप ऑफ फार्मूला। now here try to find that type of formula. Now we try to find that type of formula. Make a figure. This is x abscissa, this is y ordinate, this is vertices, origin. Now here this is the figure. Now draw the figure. Now you draw the figure at your copy. let ABC be any let ABC be any triangle whose vertices are A x1 y1 B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. This is the points and their coordinates. Let ABC be any triangle whose vertices are A x1 y1 B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Draw AP BQ. Draw AP BQ and CR perpendicular from A, B and C. A, B and C respectively. A, B and C respectively to the x-axis. Clearly, ABQP APRC and BQRC are all trapezium. ABQP, APRC, BQRC are all trapezium. Area of area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle ABC equal to area of trapezium, area of trapezium ABQP plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. This is the formula. area of triangle area of ABQP plus APRC minus BQRC. तो यहाँ से बच जाएगा ट्रायंगल ABC। देखिए फिगर में, देखिए क्लियरली फिगर में देखते हैं। ABQP यानी ये वाला एरिया पूरा ABQP प्लस APRC ये वाला पूरा एरिया, ये एरिया प्लस ये एरिया, इन दोनों का सम कर दें। इस पूरे एरिया का सम कर दिया जाए, उसमें से एरिया ऑफ BQRC को लेस कर देंगे, यानी इस पूरे में से इतना निकाल देंगे तो बच जाएगा ABC, ये वाला एरिया बच जाएगा। दिस इज द ट्रायंगल। नाउ हियर since we know that area of trapezium equal to half sum of parallel side into distance between them. This is the formula of area of trapezium. This is the formula of the area of trapezium equal to half sum of parallel side into distance between them. Sum of parallel side into distance between them. This is the formula. Now therefore area of triangle ABC triangle ABC equal to half BQ plus AP, BQ plus AP into QP. This is the formula of the area of trapezium. Half sum of, this is the sum of parallel sides and distance between them. Half BQ plus AP into QP. Here see in the figure, हमें देखना है ABQP में, ABQP, this is the trapezium. ABQP, in ABQP area, ABQP sum of parallel side, BQ, sum of parallel side BQ प्लस AP, इन दोनों साइड को सम कर दें. BQ प्लस AP एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम मीन्स QP. यही डिस्टेंस है इनके बीच. दिस इज पैरेलल साइड और डिस्टेंस कितना है, दिस इज QP. नाउ यू सी द फिगर वेरी क्लियरली. Now see the figure very clearly. We use this figure in this formula. These two formula. Area of trapezium ABQP. Or here area of trapezium equal to half sum of parallel side into distance between them. This is the formula of the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, half sum of parallel side into distance between them, Now we use here. Plus half AP plus CR into PR minus BQ plus CR into QR. We put the value in this formula. The given formula. Now we have half BQ कितना है here, BQ plus AP. BQ means BQ Y2 and AP is Y1, यानी Y2 plus Y1 and Y2 plus Y1 and QP, distance between them QP यानी X2 QP. This is X and this is X2, means X1 minus X2. Here find QP. Now here नहीं, अभी ऐसे ही लेते हैं. Y2 plus Y1 X1 minus X2. Similarly, we have find Y1 plus Y3. Here X3 minus X1 minus half Y2 plus Y3 X3 minus X2. Now half will be common. Here X1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula area of the triangle. This is the formula area of triangle ABC. This is the formula area of triangle ABC when the vertices are given. This is the formula area of triangle ABC when vertices are given. Now we have easy way in this. We can write triangle ABC equal to half. We start x3 y1 minus y2 plus x2 y1 minus y2 here x1 y2 2 के बाद माइनस y3 एंड प्लस x2 3 के बाद यहाँ 3 से शुरू होगा y3 minus y1. This is the formula. Only arrange in this way. x3 से शुरू करते हैं y1 minus y2 फिर नेक्स्ट x1 y2 minus y3 फिर नेक्स्ट x2 y3 minus y1. जिससे आपको सुविधा समझ में आए वो फार्मूला आप लर्न कर लीजिए. दिस इज द फार्मूला ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल व्हेन वर्टिसेज आर गिवन. तो हम एक बार समरी दे देते हैं. हम इससे पहले 9th क्लासेज में एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल जब निकालते थे एक ये फार्मूला यूज़ करते थे. वहाँ पे बेस और हाइट दिया रहता था, ये फार्मूला लगाते थे. फिर हीरोन्स फार्मूला यूज़ करते थे जब उसके साइड्स दिए गए होते थे तो हीरोन्स फार्मूला लगा के एरिया फाइंड करते थे. अब जब किसी ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेस दी गई हो तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. तो उसका एक और रास्ता ये था कि उसमें डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगा करके हम सॉल्व कर सकते थे. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगा के पहले डिस्टेंस निकाल लें फिर हीरोन्स फार्मूला में रख के ट्रायंगल एरिया निकाल सकते थे. लेकिन वी नीड ओनली वन फार्मूला, सो पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ वर्टिसेज एंड गेट द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. दिस फार्मूला इज नोन एज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. इस तरह से फाइंड करेंगे, ऐसा हमने फिगर क्लियरली समझाया. नाउ कैन यू सी दिस फिगर एंड दिस इज द प्रूफ. Here now this is the proof here. Now for example this is the proof. We take an example. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle. Find the area of triangle whose vertices whose vertices are 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. This is the vertices. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5. Solution. The area of triangle, formed by the vertices formed by the vertices A 1 minus 1, B minus 4 6 and C minus 3 minus 5. By using formula area triangle ABC, using formula half 1 x1 means 1. Here y2 minus y3, y2 is 6 minus y3 is minus 5, means 6 plus 5 plus here minus 4 minus 5 plus 1, here minus 3 minus 1 minus 6 now here half 11 plus 16 plus 21 equal to 24. So the area of triangle is 24 square unit. Now another question is here. Find the area of triangle. The point points A 5 to B 4 1 and C 7 minus 4. This is the homework. Now you try to find the area of the triangle by the help of this formula, and you solve the related questions from the chapters. Means related Heron's area of a triangle formula and using section formula. You solve the related numericals in your chapter. I am giving you numericals, theorems, examples, postulates are everything we have already given you. Using this formula, you solve yourself the related chapters 7.1, 7.2, 7.1 and 7.2. Thank you. One thing is more. The students ask the question one by one day by one day. If we discuss the chapter coordinates, then don't ask me question polynomials. I again and again saying you, we discuss today the coordinate geometry. Don't ask the question polynomials. You only ask the question related these videos today. Thank you. You try to solve the questions.